So you accept this specific law school, you go, and when does it hit you that you're just not going to do 3 years there?
Pretty quick actually. Probably when I was moving in. I mean, I think it was one of the two. Like, I knew in undergrad, like it was kind of like to your point. I knew it was not the decision I wanted to make, and
I'm curious, like the family. Tell me about the family pressure. Then, like the uncle really kind of was like pushing you, like this is just really good. It's safe. This is a path.
I
I
would
can help
actually
you.
say it was less of pressure, just more of lack of perspective. So in the sense of like that's kind of what you knew, and I don't mean that negatively. Like my family was actually shockingly supportive. It was just I didn't know what investment banking was. I didn't know what investment management was. I mean, for me, it was I think you can buy stocks and bonds, but other than that, that's kind of where all I knew. So
Right. It was like there wasn't a depth to the understanding of careers that like you would get from listening to the Wall Street Oasis podcast. Just kidding.
no, it's very one of the most critical mistakes of my law school path. So
No, it's good. A lot of undergrads listen to this, and I think it's important because they get a little bit of a taste of the little twists and turns. So okay, so you're there for a full year or like a semester, and then you just peace out. Like
yeah, I did a year.
okay,
It was kind of just made sense. Look, to be fair, I think I knew. I think the way I was trying to talk myself into continuing is like law school's still a roundabout way of getting into finance, right? Plenty of lawyers or hedge
yeah.
fund managers or investors.
hmm
But let's be real, it's a really roundabout and inefficient way of getting there,
hmm
and very expensive.